So you might be looking for a way to start using Google Chrome extensions here. Generally speaking, the thing with extension here specifically for Google Chrome is if you actually try searching, or in this case, going to the Chrome Web Store, the Chrome Web Store here, as you can see, it's just going to say the Chrome Web Store is only available on desktop. Now, the thing with Google Chrome here, if you're using it on your mobile device, you won't be able to install extensions, which again, it's not yet supported, which is something really unfortunate here. But there are alternatives out there that you could try using. Now, one of those alternatives that I would suggest you to try using here is kind of similar with Chrome Web Store, but instead of using Google Chrome, you use an alternative called Firefox. Now, Firefox here actually allows you to add or use extensions, but with limitations. Now, there are some add-ons here that may or may not be compatible with your mobile device. So it's best to see where to get one. Let's go to google.com and just type in Mozilla add-ons. You should see add-ons for Firefox. Go and open that link, and you want to go and just click on the top option here at the very top that says Find extensions compatible with Firefox for Android. Go ahead and click on the Click Here option, and you should be able to see different extensions that you may want to use here. Now, as an example, I want to get car here. So what you just need to do is you just need to click on Add to Firefox, and that should basically install or ask you to basically confirm a few things. Let's go and click on Add on here that we want to use it, and as you can see, car key has been added to Firefox from the Firefox menu. Let's click on OK now. In this case, in order for you to do that, let's go and click on the GData option at the very bottom right. Go to extensions, and you could just access the extension that you've just recently installed. So unfortunately, again, like what I said before, you cannot use extensions on your mobile device here through Chrome. But there are alternatives out there that you could use. So Firefox is not the only one. If I'm not mistaken, you could also add or use extensions on Kiwi, but that's a different topic. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.